That's for KD video. So there's been instances whereby when you just open your Facebook account, you see some bad videos right there, bro. I'm going to show you how you can just deactivate them, okay, or stop them, or you will be able to just check those videos before they even get to your Facebook account, okay. So you'll be like you'll be creating something like a barrier, okay, to just hold on with those posts, okay, and then you will just check, and then if you are okay with the picture or the video, you can just allow it on your page, okay, or your profile, okay. So yes, that's it. I'm going to show you step by step. So if you're new, just subscribe and like it, because more videos come here on this platform. And know that if you want to know how you can just secure your Facebook account, I can just save data on Facebook, a lot about Facebook, okay. Everything will be in the comment section or description of the video. Links will be there to just help you watch to know more about your Facebook account, okay. So let's start with this and let's dive in. Give me a like and let's start with it. Let's go. All right, so just open your Facebook app, okay, or just go to your account. Open your account and just log into the account that you want to just deactivate or stop this, okay. So this is my account on Facebook, and just follow me right there on Facebook as well. We are 72,000 followers right now. Let's get to 100K by the end of this year, okay. So we just go to your profile like this, okay. Let me just tap on this, okay. If you see this, just tap on this or get to where you find your settings, okay. And even with the settings, we have two settings right here. We have this one right here, and then also we have another one. When you just scroll down below, okay, so this one we have settings and privacy right here, and then we have the other one at the top right now, okay. So you can just tap on this, or you just scroll down and then you tap on this, okay. So when you tap on it, let me show you right here. When you tap on the settings and privacy, it will give you a pop-up. Then you go to settings again, okay. So you can see settings and privacy, and then we have the settings. Just tap on it, okay. So when you tap on it, it will give you something like this. Just scroll down and look for, I think I passed by. Please like the video and subscribe for more, okay. Look for profile and tagging, and tap on it, okay. So this one, tap on it. When you tap on it, first we have who can post on your profile, okay. We have friends, okay. Turn it to friends so that those that you don't know will not be able to post anything on your profile, okay. And then who can see what others post on your profile, okay. So if someone posts something on your profile, do you wish that everyone should see it, or it should be only you? Because of these videos and pictures that they just tag us, to avoid people from falling victim, change it from that one, okay. So just tap on it. You can see I have mine at only me. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, we have everyone right here. Sorry, we have everyone. We have friends of friends, and then friends, we have friends except, and then we have specific friends, and we have only me. So put it at only me. Yes, okay. So who can see what others post on your profile? Just select only me, okay. And then allow others to share your post to their story. That one, it is just something good. You should allow it to be turned on, okay. And now scroll down and please like the video. If you haven't liked, this is the time. Like the video for me, and then let's continue with it, okay. So when you just like the video, we have the tagging, okay. Who can see post you are tagged in, okay. Who can see post you are tagged in on your profile, okay. So we have friends of friends, okay. So if you are tagged in a photo, friends of friends, okay, I mean those that you are really close with will be able to see that one. Or you can just change it to only me, okay, or friends except, okay, or your friends, which means your Facebook friends, okay. So with this one, you can choose friends of friends, okay, or you will select only me. That one, it depends on you. It is optional for that one as well, okay. So when you are tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can't already see it? So if someone tag you in a picture, okay, so mostly those videos and pictures that you see, okay, that you don't like, and when they tag you like that, it will appear on your account or in your page, okay. And then you can just delete it whilst nobody sees it, okay. So just change that one to only me, okay. Tap on it and then change it to only me, okay. Okay, And then we have this one. This is very, very important. Okay, so you review tags people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. So if in case anyone tag you in a particular video or picture, you will get a message. You will be alerted that someone tag you in this particular video. Do you want it to be public, or you want it to be published on your account for everybody to see it? And you can see if someone who you are not friends with adds a tag to your post, you will still be asked to review it. So you will have to just take a look whether it's a picture, whether it is one of these pictures or videos. If not, you can just accept and then approve, and then it will appear, okay, on your profile for other friends to also see it. Okay, so make sure this one is on. Very, very, very important. Make sure it is on. And review what other people see on your profile. So you can just take a look at what people see on your profile. Okay, and then we have review posts you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile. Okay, so just like this one. So if anybody add you to a post before the tags appear on Facebook, you'll be able to just see it and a review. Okay, and I said whether you should be tagged to that particular video or not, and either that video should be even seen on your profile. Okay, yeah, so this one and then this one is very, very important. Okay, same as when you are tagged in a post. Okay, only you should see it. Okay, and then sure, you can just with this stop all these pictures and video that they post on your account. Okay, so let me just take you through once more. Who can post on your profile? Okay, you can just change it from friends to either only you. If in case you want you or everything that you post to be only you on your account, nothing else on your account. So if someone comes to your profile, nobody will see any different picture, anything. It is all about you. You understand? You can just change from friends to only me, and then only you will be posting on your account. Nobody will be in your account unless you approve it per the other one below. Okay, and who can see what others post on your profile? Only me. Allow others to share with that one. You just need to turn it on. Okay, so only me, only me. And then who can see post you are tagged in on your profile? Friends of friends, or you can just even turn it to only me. Okay, if in case you have been seeing this tags a lot of times, changing it from friends of friends to only you will be very, very useful, because sometimes your friend will think like, oh, they have seen it on your status, okay, or on your profile, so they will just click on it, and as they click on it, sometimes these posts are controlled by scammers, so in a way your friend can be hacked. Okay, so yeah, you can just change most of these things to only me, and then when someone tag you, you review it, either you accept on your account or not. If there's anything that you don't understand, let it be in the comment section. I will check and answer you as well.